डू यू नो योर चाइल्ड? आई नो, जब मैं क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ एवरी पेरेंट फील्स येस ऑफ कोर्स आई नो माई चाइल्ड. हु नोज माई चाइल्ड बेटर देन मी? मुझे पता चल जाता है कब उसे गुस्सा आ रहा है, कब वो अभी ऐसे रिएक्ट करने वाला है. अभी वो चिड़चिड़ा हो रहा है बिकॉज उसे भूख लग रही है, अभी उसे गुस्सा आ रहा है बिकॉज उसे अभी हीट स्ट्रोक हुआ है. हमें लगता है हमें अपने बच्चों के बारे में सब कुछ पता है, हमें पता है कि वो क्या फील कर रहे हैं, उनके साथ क्या हो रहा है. Let me ask this question again. Do you know your child? Now think about it. हमें क्या पता है अपने बच्चों के बारे में? अभी वो गुस्सा है, अभी उसका बात करने का मन नहीं है, he is not talking, झूठ बोल रहा है, मैनिपुलेट कर रहा है, कमरे में बंद रहना चाहता है, अपनी फोन को प्राइवेट रखना चाहता है, अपने फोन में क्या देख रहा है नहीं बताना चाहता, अपने दिल की बात नहीं करना चाहता, पढ़ना नहीं चाहते हैं, ये सब पता है. पर ये क्यों हो रहा है, क्या हमें ये पता है? What is happening inside them? What is happening to them that they are feeling like lying to you? What is happening to them that they are feeling so aggressive? What is making them feel sad? What is making them feel cranky? Do we really know that? Do we know what's happening in their inner universe? What are they thinking? What are they feeling? We just know the apparent world कि वो क्या choices बना रहे हैं, क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या ideas हैं, बट उनके अंदर क्या चल रहा है हमें नहीं पता. Let me ask this question third time. Do you know your child? Do you know your real true child? कि उसके अंदर क्या है? The answer will be no. हमें नहीं पता. हमें सिर्फ बाहर से पता है. The apparent things that we can see, that we can observe, that we can comprehend, that we can assume. But what is happening inside them? No. No way. And even if you know what, even if you get to know that your child is feeling angry or sad, that's also not enough. You know, that's how emotions play. Emotion कभी एक feeling isolation में नहीं आती है. एक feeling के साथ उसके और भी सारे emotions आते हैं. Emotions in a simpler way is energy in motion. तो different तरीके की energies होती हैं और वो motion में आती हैं और एक अकेली नहीं आती, बहुत सारी आती. For example, you see your child feeling angry. Now anger doesn't come in isolation. What happens generally? शायद कुछ हमारे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, an episode, a moment or an instance where you felt sad. Now you had numerous episodes of feeling sad. जब वो इतने सारे moments जब आपको sad feel हुआ, when they got collected all together, it converts into hurt. हमें बुरा लगता है. And sometimes when a lot of moments of hurt get collected, it converts into pain. We really feel pain. And as per our psychology school of thought, sometimes these pains also start showing up in our body. Muscular pains, headache, stomach ache, leg pain, being fidgety, all these pains also show up. And when a lot of pain is accumulated inside them, it gets converted into anger at times. I'm not saying this is the sequence for everybody. Sad, hurt, pain, anger. I'm not saying it's a general formula. I'm just giving an example. And then the hurt converts into anger. And जब हम अपना anger बहुत ज़्यादा suppress करते हैं, we are not getting the space to express our anger, it shows up in the form of aggression. That's when you see your children banging the door, slamming, throwing things, slamming stuff, shouting on you, and we feel outburst हो रहा है, teenage में आ गया है, mood swings हो रहे हैं. But that is just a teaser. That's just the tip of the iceberg. उस iceberg के नीचे बहुत सारे emotions हैं जो इकट्ठे हो गए हैं और जिन्हें express होने का मौका नहीं मिला. और ये किसी के लिए अलग भी हो सकता है. Sometimes maybe it starts with an anger, and a lot of anger moments got collected together. It converts into pain, and then hurt, and then sadness, and then probably some other emotion comes out. कुछ भी हो सकता है. ये हमें नहीं पता होता अपने बच्चों के बारे में. Now very surprising fact. क्या हमें ये अपने बारे में पता होता है? हमारे साथ भी तो कुछ ऐसा ही हो रहा होता है. We also go through so many things in our life, and there are past episodes that have inflicted such kind of pain and emotions in us, and they get suppressed और वो suppress होते रहते हैं. They change their forms and shapes और एक different emotion में बन के वो बाहर आते हैं. कई बार हम people pleaser बन जाते हैं to avoid conflicts, and कई बार हम aggressive हो जाते हैं and we become a troubleshooter. एक problem आई और हमने फटाफट fix कर दी. We try to avoid conflicts and become a peacemaker, or we try to become a firefighter. We try to become a savior कि हमें हर situation को बस solve कर लेना. कुछ भी हो सकता है. But those behaviors and choices are coming out of a lot of suppressed emotions. So just the way it happens to us, that's the way it happens to our children. In your family, you must be seeing कि ये आप दोनों के साथ हो रहा है. अब क्या करें? अपने बच्चों को कैसे जाने और इन इमोशंस को कैसे मैनेज करें? Take out a peace time. First of all, sit with yourself. Identify what are you going through. Just name one feeling that you're feeling right now in the moment. You might be feeling yourself that I'm being too snappy. मुझे छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ रहा है, मैं शायद ज़्यादा इरिटेट हो रही हूँ, या मुझे पता नहीं बस for no reason I'm just feeling sad. I don't feel like having an energy to get up and do something. मुझे बहुत lethargic और fatigue feel हो रहा है. Just name one emotion that you're feeling and then try to go down. Go down, down, down and identify what is it that you're exactly feeling. And maybe you'll find more feelings behind it. Don't justify, don't fight, don't defend, don't prove, don't explain. Just let the feelings be. जो feelings आ रही हैं आने दो and just identify, write it down. क्या feeling आ रही है? उसके नीचे क्या feeling है? उसके नीचे क्या feeling है? Just do this process in peace time. Do not fight against it. Let the feeling be. Once you'll do it with yourself, you'll realize what is it making you feel. It's an experience that cannot be described in words. You can just feel it. And once you'll be able to do it with yourself, you'll be able to do it with your children also. And अगर हम इसमें इतने successful नहीं भी हो पाए इस exercise में, क्योंकि पहली बार कर रहे हैं, it's okay. Once you'll do it few times with yourself, with your children, with your partner, you'll get the hang of it. Do try it out, and I'll be waiting to hear your experiences and comments in our comment box. And if you want to know more कि आप कैसे कर सकते हो अपने घर में, how can you understand your feelings better, how can you understand your child's feeling better, और अगर इसमें कोई दिक्कत आ रही है, we do this 2-week parenting program for parents. It's a group session. It's a great exposure for you to learn parenting from this feeling angle and hear other parents what are they experiencing. So the link for that 2-week parenting program is in the description box. Please go through the details, register for the parenting program and experience a new world of parenting. All the best. See you soon.